Greetings to one and all. As we begin our comprehensive overview of Ramakrishna Senior Secondary School, the first thing that captures attention is the school's name. Prominently displayed on the grand entrance gate, a symbol of our institutional pride, discipline, and academic legacy. Encircling the entire campus is a robust boundary wall, designed not only for security but also to ensure privacy and a safe learning environment. We have thoughtfully designated parking spaces both inside and outside the campus, while the external area supports smooth parking for the staff members. The internal parking zone is available for parking the school buses, reinforcing our commitment to structured community-oriented planning. Upon entering, one is welcomed by a spacious open courtyard. Towards the left of the entrance, a flat cemented pathway leads directly from the main gate to the school lift, allowing children with special needs to access upper floors without barriers. This thoughtfully designed surface ensures smooth mobility and enables them to reach their classrooms comfortably and independently. Beyond the courtyard, towards the left, lies our expansive playground, which is a lively space fostering energy, discipline, and sportsmanship. It serves as the assembly area, a central space where students unite for morning prayers, daily announcements, and special events. This area is beautifully landscaped, enabling free movement and promoting a spirit of unity. Designed to accommodate games like kho-kho, throwball, basketball, volleyball, skating, and badminton. Our commitment to hands-on experiential learning is clearly reflected in our state-of-the-art laboratory infrastructure, each tailored to deepen subject understanding and spark curiosity. The physics lab is equipped with a wide range of optical instruments, circuit boards, and measuring tools, enabling students to explore core concepts like motion energy and electricity through direct experimentation. Lab sessions are conducted as per a fixed timetable, stock registers are diligently maintained, and students prepare the practical files based on the experiments performed. The chemistry lab provides a safe, well-ventilated environment for students to carry out chemical reactions, titerations, and compound analysis using modern equipment. Practicals are scheduled as per the timetable, materials are logged in stock registers, and students create their practical files from the lab work they perform. The biology lab features microscopes, anatomical models, and preserved specimens, allowing students to examine the structure and function of living organisms. With a defined timetable and stock management in place, students conduct experiments and subsequently prepare their practical files. The mathematics lab turns abstract theories into hands-on learning using geometry kits, number models, and logical puzzles. Sessions run according to a set timetable, resources are monitored through stock registers, and students prepare activity-based practical files reflecting their lab experiences. The computer science lab is fully furnished with networked systems, high-speed internet, and up-to-date software to support digital learning and programming. Lab periods are organized through a structured timetable. Software and hardware inventory is tracked in stock registers, and students develop practical files based on tasks completed during the sessions. The school library is a heaven of knowledge, housing over 5,709 books, including 436 reference titles, 29 encyclopedias, 15 educational magazines, and 3 daily newspapers. This quiet and organized space not only inspires reading habits but also fosters independent research skills in our learners. The students navigate resources, develop effective reading and research techniques, and cultivate a lifelong love for books and learning. Understanding the importance of hygiene and comfort, we provide separate regularly cleaned toilets for boys and girls on every floor. These facilities are well maintained throughout the day by trained housekeeping staff, ensuring cleanliness, sanitation, and ease of access at all times. In alignment with our commitment to inclusivity, we also have specially designed toilets for children with special needs. These are equipped with flat surface, handrails, and non-slip flooring, allowing students with mobility challenges to use the facilities independently and safely. To further enhance accessibility, a modern spacious elevator connects all floors of the school building. This lift is particularly beneficial for students and staff with physical disabilities, enabling them to reach classrooms, labs, and activity areas with comfort and dignity. Staying hydrated is essential, and for this, we've ensured the installation of dual drinking water units on every floor. These units are regularly cleaned and maintained, ensuring a continuous supply of clean, cool, and safe drinking water throughout the school day. The water supply is monitored for quality, and filtration systems are routinely checked to meet hygiene standards. With easy accessibility, students can refill their bottles without crowding or delay, promoting healthy hydration habits from a young age. Safety is paramount. The school is equipped with fire extinguishers installed at strategic locations across all floors, which are in working condition and regularly inspected as per safety regulations. In addition, surveillance cameras are present on every floor and each classroom, ensuring safety of all the students. Our staff and students are also periodically trained in basic fire safety and evacuation drills, reinforcing a culture of preparedness and responsibility throughout the school. Our classrooms are well lit, ventilated, and thoughtfully arranged to support diverse learning styles. Whether it's a primary or senior secondary class, every room is equipped with modern teaching aids that facilitate interactive and immersive education. Classrooms are vibrant and inclusive, with subject-specific decorated boards that display educational charts, student work, and key concepts, reinforcing daily learning in a visually engaging way. Classes LKG to 9th are fitted with a smart TV, enabling the integration of digital content, audio-visual aids, and online resources into everyday lessons. These tools promote dynamic teaching methods and keep students actively involved in the learning process. Classes LKG to 1st are fitted with air conditioners to promote conducive learning. Here, collaboration, inquiry, and critical thinking are not just encouraged, they are part of the everyday classroom experience. We recognize the important role that co-scholastic activities play in a child's overall development. At our school, this emphasis is reflected in our thoughtfully designed indoor games area and a range of dedicated activity areas. The indoor games area offers students a chance to sharpen their minds and reflexes through games like carom, chess, and ludo, all of which promote focus, strategy, mental agility, and coordination. We have several activity areas, each designed to support a different facet of a child's growth. There's the dance activity area, where both Western and classical dance come alive through rhythm, movement, and expression. We have the Power Yoga activity area, which encourages mindfulness, balance, and overall well-being. There's the aerobics activity area, which helps students stay active, energetic, and physically fit through fun and structured movement. We also have a classical music activity area where students express their creativity and develop their musical talents. There's the Western instrumental music activity area, where budding musicians explore harmony and melody through various instruments. These thoughtfully planned spaces allow students to pursue their interests, unwind creativity, and maintain a healthy balance between academics and personal expression. Complementing these areas is our well-equipped school auditorium, a vibrant cultural hub where students participate in performances, debates, and presentations. It serves as a stage for self-expression, helping students build confidence, public speaking skills, and team collaboration while nurturing their artistic and leadership abilities. At the heart of every great school are its teachers. Our faculty members are not just educators, they're mentors, facilitators, and lifelong learners who guide students with innovation, empathy, and dedication. In the classroom, students engage in dynamic learning experiences. Classroom footage captures how students collaborate, question, explore, and actively participate in their learning journey. Through teachers' workshops, our teaching methodology blends academic rigor with creative, inquiry-based learning, empowering teachers that fosters independent thinkers and lifelong learners. Through interactive discussions and teachers' enrichment programs, our classroom fosters an environment where students take ownership of their education. This collaborative approach enhances teaching learning methodologies. With world-class infrastructure, inclusive ethos, and a progressive vision of arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached, Ramakrishna Senior Secondary School stands tall as a nurturing ground for future-ready, confident, and responsible citizens of tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our institution.